Today in this video, we're going to talk about how you can use Canva as a whiteboard in your classroom. So if you are currently sharing your Surface Pro or your iPad with your class, what you can do is pull up a document that you have already created, and now there is a draw feature in Canva. So if you come over to your left-hand side where we find all of our tools, you can scroll down to More, and then under Create Something New, you will see Draw. And when you're in that draw feature, you will have your pen, marker, a glow pen, which I think is pretty cool, and you can change the size, transparency, and color as you're using it. But when you select your marker, you can come in here, and I'm going to actually zoom in a little bit on your document that you're sharing with your students, and you can start to write with your pen. And so in here, you can do equations, you can write notes, whatever it is that you need to share with your kids on that interactive whiteboard. And then you have an eraser, and as you use the eraser, it will only erase the things you've made with the draw feature. It won't erase anything else within your document. Now, something else that you can do with this is that you could also share this document with your students to have them collaborate, and each student could write on here, or you could add pages and each student would have their own page. Now, you don't have the ability to check things before students would post them or share them, so it would just be something that you had to monitor on a regular basis. And then if you needed to, you could easily come in here and there will be an option where you can change them from an owner to just a viewer, or you can restrict access completely so that they cannot be in the document. And it is fairly quick to do this, which I will show you in another video when we talk about collaboration. This is how you use Canva as a whiteboard in your classroom.